Take a look at this new revolutionary tool for plumbers and DIY enthusiasts. It's the Toilet Bowl Flange Remover by Pinell Tools. It's basically a mini lathe that fits into a standard drill and can remove any toilet bowl flange with zero damage to the existing pipe. First, start by placing a rag about 6 inches into the pipe. This will prevent any debris from going into your septic system. Next, spray a little bit of lubricant on the flange and the insert and insert it into the fitting. Press gently and allow the tool to do its work. Look how easily it removes the flange. Once you have broken through, remove the old flange. Now place the insert back into the pipe and continue until there is nothing left of the old flange in the pipe. Remove the rag, and now you are ready to install your new flange. You have now completed this job in just minutes. Make sure you check out the Toilet Bowl Flange Remover at pinelltools.com and start saving time and money on your next job.